Okay, hey guys, so there's something that I haven't told you for a while. The reason why I don't show much about my house is because it is really messy and gross. Because so now we're doing renovation, so yeah, it's no longer messy. So as I go in, this is the master bedroom, all covered up in stuff. And a few hours ago, we hacked our toilet, so we're gonna get a new toilet and a sink and all this stuff. We already got a sink, but we have not got like a toilet. So this is what happened. Yeah, you see that's a lot of debris down there. And over here you can see they left everything in the tub, like they didn't bring it back. Irresponsible. And yeah, this is the other stuff. So you can see. Yeah, this is the master bed again. Yeah, so now, so this is our new flooring. Usually it's wood like this, so you can see. And now it's like all this stuff. Yeah, so this is my first time. The first time actually I've shown you this much about the house. So this toilet will be hacked in a few days because it is really messy. And yeah, so this is what happened. I don't know, I don't even know what I want to